posted a video before on United States versus Rodriguez. In that case, the Supreme Court held that walking the canine dog around the car was unconstitutional. But the reason why it was unconstitutional was because the police officers prolonged the traffic stop to walk the dog. So the question really remains, are canine searches ever constitutional? And I'll tell you right after this. The 2005 Supreme Court case Illinois versus Caballes deals with the question if conducting a canine search during a traffic stop is ever constitutional or does it violate the Fourth Amendment. And here's what the Supreme Court says. But first, let me give you the facts. In this case, the defendant was driving on an Illinois parkway. He gets pulled over for speeding. The first officer immediately begins to write him a ticket. While all of this is happening, a second officer, who's from a narcotics unit, overhears that somebody got pulled over.
Tough guys can't scare them. Rich men can't buy them. Absolutely nothing can stop them. Well, almost nothing.
Hey, didn't I tell you to go before we left the station?
This is Mike Dooley.
Are you even paying attention to me?
And his new partner.
He right away starts driving towards the location, gets there, and while the first officer is writing the ticket, he takes out the canine out of the car and walks the canine around the defendant's car to see if there's drugs in the car. Now, in this case, there's no probable cause. Neither officers have any suspicion that narcotics would have been found in this car. The second officer simply decided to walk the dog around the car without any reasonable suspicion or probable cause. So the question becomes, is that constitutional? Can an officer ever walk the dog around the car simply because he has the canine available? Here's what the Supreme Court says. The use of a well-trained narcotics dog, one that does not expose non-contraband items that otherwise would have been hidden inside the car, does not implicate the legitimate privacy interests. So a dog sniff conducted during a lawful traffic stop that does not reveal any information other than the location of the contraband, by the way, one that no one has a legal right to possess anyways, does not violate the Fourth Amendment.